congratulations on the promotion.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, I've seen that look before. What's wrong?
Oh, it's this new position at work.
I thought you were excited about changing positions.
Well, I am, or was, but now I'm not sure I can do it.
You are clearly the best choice for this position.
I appreciate your vote of confidence, but the problem is it involves using a computer, and well, I've never used a computer before.
Listen, computers are not difficult to use once you get the hang of them. I would be happy to show you some of the basics. With a little help, you'll have no trouble using computers.
Oh, that would be great if you could teach me. I really want to succeed in this position.
Did you know you've actually used a computer before?
Well, I must have amnesia because I don't remember ever using one.
When we were at the bank, remember you used the ATM? That is a computer.
Oh, I never thought about ATMs as computers before.
Well, they are. But they are highly specialized computers, just like the self-checkout terminals at the grocery store. It is almost impossible to go through the day without using a computer of some sort, since our society today couldn't function without computers. They are everywhere, and we all operate them every day. Computers are in all our vehicles, all our electronics, and they are even in our phones.
Well, maybe I can figure out what I need to know for this new position after all. When could you start teaching me?
Well, there's no time like the present. Let me get a computer and I'll show you some basics.
Great.